Are you willing to talk to my recorder? If I left my recorder, would you come say hello? Did you just call my name? Did you just say my name? Did you just call my name? Did you just say my name? You didn't just say my name.
I just said I heard a kid's voice. That's it. I didn't say Brad.
You didn't say Brad.
No.
Are you trying to talk to me?
Are you serious?
Dude, I'm as serious as a heart attack. I heard Brad. That's all I heard. I didn't hear you mumbling anything. Are you here with us right now?
I just heard a kid's voice.
Did you?
With my own ears.
I heard, like, Brad. That's why I stopped in dead in my tracks because I thought it was you calling to me because you probably
No.
you didn't say Brad before you said, "Hey, I heard a kid's voice."
All I said was, "Hey, I heard a kid's voice."
I didn't even hear you say that. All I heard was Brad.
Are you serious?
Are you playing games with me right now? Is that what you're trying to do? Get me riled up? Because you know I get riled up. Like I got riled up last time. You want me to get riled up again?